Third disease is brown spot of rice caused Bengal famine. Brown spot of rice is very popular disease because this disease only caused the Bengal famine, the popular Bengal famine. Brown spot of rice is caused by Helminthosporia oryzae, this is the old name, or Drexlera oryzae or Bipolaris oryzae. This fungi, 3 types of species can cause brown spot of rice. Brown spot of rice appears on which part of rice plant? Leaf sheath, leaf blade, glumes. Leaf blade and glumes spots are most prominent on these parts, leaf blade and glumes. Brown spot of rice appears on which crop growth stages? From seedling to milky stage. Brown spot of rice appears seedling to milky stage. In which stage of crop growth infection of brown spot causing fungi is highest? At flowering stage. Brown spot causes at seedling to milky stage and highest infection at flowering stage. Which is the sexual stage of brown spot causing fungi? Cochleobolus myabini. Cochleobolus myabini is the sexual stage of rice brown spot causing fungi. Helminthosporia oryzae. Present a small memorable diagram of etiology of brown spot of rice. Etiology, 4 types of etiology. 4 types of etiology is, first is perithecia. This perithecia contains ascus. This ascus then contains ascospores. Ascus is 6 to 15 septate. Conidia. First is conidia. Conidia produce perithecia. This perithecia contains ascus and ascus contains ascospores. Conidia are pale to golden brown in color. Conidia is curved, bludged center and tapered ends. Conidiophores produce conidia. Conidiophores are single or grouped. This conidia is 6 to 14 septate. Brown septate mycelium. So how many types? Brown septate mycelium, conidiophores, conidia, perithecia, ascus and ascospores. 6 types of etiology. Etiology are 6 types. The first etiology is conidiophores. From conidiophores, conidiophore is single or grouped. Conidiophores produce conidia. Conidia is curved. It has bludged center and tapered ends. It is pale to golden brown in color and it is 6 to 14 septate. This conidia produces perithecia. Perithecia then contains ascus and ascus contains ascospores. These ascospores are hyaline in color. Hyaline pale to olive green in color. Hyaline pale to olive green and it is ascus is 6 to 15 septate. And the 6th number etiology is brown septate mycelium, brown in color mycelium. What are the symptoms of rice brown spot? Brown minute spots on leaf with grey center and yellow halo bordering it. Minute spots on leaf with grey center and yellow halo. What are the types of shapes of spots caused by brown spot fungi? Irregular or oval or circular? This type of spots shape. What are the phytotoxins produced by rice brown spot causing fungi? Ophiobolin A or cochleobolin A, ophiobolin B or cochleobolin B, ophiobolin I. So 3 types of phytotoxins can be produced by brown spot causing fungi Helminthosporia oryzae. First is ophiobolin A or cochleobolin A, same name. Ophiobolin B or cochleobolin B, same. And third is ophiobolin I. What is the function of phytotoxins produced by rice brown spot causing fungi? Phytotoxins, function of phytotoxins, these 3 phytotoxins. Function is they break protein fragment of cell wall, thus cause partial disruption of integrity of cell. They actually break the protein fragments of cell wall, thus causing the partial disruption of integrity of cell. What are the management practices to control brown spot of rice? 3 management practices: cultural control, physical control, that is hot water treatment, and third is chemical control. Which causes secondary infection in brown spot of rice? Those conidia which are produced from conidiospores which are sprayed or dispersed by wind cause secondary infection. Mention these strategies under chemical control to reduce primary and secondary infection caused by rice brown spot causing fungi. Primary infection, use of organomercurial fungicides, and secondary infection, spraying of Benomil at the rate 0.1% or carbendazim 200 milliliter per 200 liter of water, or propiconazole at the rate 0.1% of seed. For primary infection, you can use organomercurial fungicides. What is the place of survival of pathogen in brown spot causing fungi? Seeds. It is a seed-borne pathogen. Helminthosporium oryzae is a seed-borne pathogen. What is the temperature used in hot water treatment under physical control? 55 degrees Celsius for hot water treatment. What are the epidemiologies to cause brown spot of rice? Relative humidity is greater than 80%. Temperature is 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, and excess use of nitrogenous fertilizers. What is the sexual stage of rice brown spot causing fungi? Cochleobolus mayabini. Cochleobolus mayabini is the sexual or perfect stage of rice brown spot causing fungi. Write some cultural control methods to reduce this disease. Moderate use of nitrogenous fertilizers, use of potassium and phosphatic fertilizers in optimum amount, early cultivation of rice, early maturing varieties, early cultivation of early maturing varieties. What is the duration of time in hot water treatment? 10 minutes at 55 degrees Celsius. How many septations of mycelium are there in Conidia and Ascus? Conidia 6 to 14 septate, Asci or Ascus 6 to 15 septate. Ascus or Asci filamentous or long cylindrical. Ascus or Asci filamentous or long cylindrical in shape.